So this is the pound yen analysis for Monday, the 11th of December. Now, let's have a look at what happened with prices and where they might possibly go. So we saw prices ramp up in towards our 52.85. We were saying another frequent. When a level is frequently tested, we usually see a break. And that's exactly what we saw. We saw a break, and as expected, we did close below the 52.85. Now we've closed in, we've not retraced in time move. We've not come all the way back down to support at present. So if we do get continuation of this primary move here, we're looking for another test of 52.85 and then a break from which a break from 52.85. The very next major level above 52.85 would be at 54.72. 54.72 coming to focus on the Monday, the 11th of December. But again, another test, a possible break, after which we'll be looking to target the 154 essentially. Looking to target 154. If, however, we do see a breakdown in prices from where we are at present, we're looking to see if 51.25 holds, a break from which we have to be aware of a 200 period moving average, a break from which we're looking to see our price react around the 50.56, and a break from there we're looking to see our price react around at 49.78, just down there, coupled with the 400 period moving average, and I suppose that would be the likely. I expect that to be the possible likely far end of the range. We've also got 149.10. Those are levels that we'll be looking at on the pound yen. Now, let's just have a look at the higher time frames before wrapping up here. So if you go over to the daily chart, we'll get the scaling correct. You can see here we've had the rejection from 52.85, and we've had a rejection there as well. We've retraded through it, but again we closed bearish, so we are encountering a lot of resistance around this 52.85. And if we do see a breakdown, we've mentioned all the levels that we are looking at. Now, let's just have a look at the weekly time frame. So we do appear to have a bit of a double top there. So we might see further sell side momentum coming in. But yeah, let's have a look at the weekly time frame. Just gonna have a look at the weekly. So on this weekly time frame, we can see here we've had our lows, we've had a pullback, held, trade upwards, and we've just been we are trending slightly upwards on the pound against the yen. As you can see here, we've had a series of let's just clean this chart up. We've had a series of higher lows, with this being the exception. A series of higher lows which are bullish for price action. So we're potentially looking for more upside momentum to come into this market in regards to the pound against the Japanese yen. And yeah, before we head off, let's just have a look at the monthly chart. So here on this monthly chart, we can see here that we are having a somewhat bullish move, and we've got a very large candle. We've had a pullback, further move to the upside, a pullback, and we do see points for more continuation on the pound against the Japanese yen. And yeah, we'll look for further continuation of the pound against Japanese yen. And with that said, that's wrap up the pound yen analysis. Thanks for watching.